guys, welcome back to the Cocco channel and to another Sunday Funday haul. I get to refilm this whole entire video because of the microphone situation. So, I am doing an unboxing for this, which I don't ever do anymore, just because unboxings can get pretty expensive if you're on all the subscription services. So I picked up the Jamie, Genevieve, and Cult Beauty box. If you don't know what Cult Beauty is, it's like a, I want to say European, I mean they ship to the States, but I want to say it's like Europe's Beautylish, if that makes sense. They have like various brands that it may be hard for those countries to get a hold of. And so Jamie Genevieve is a Scottish YouTuber. I love her so much. She's so fun and down to earth and goofy. She does do a weekly vlog every week, her and her fiance, who they actually work together, and he's like all the camera and the editing, and they're just really fun, down to earth, awesome people. They do like fancier vlogs, weekly vlogs. They travel a lot. They do a lot of brand trips, and so it's kind of fun to throw those in the mix of the like mom home vlogs that I enjoy. So this is the box. You did get to pick from a couple different things. The only thing that you got to pick was the color of your Becca Highlighter. This is her. Isn't she gorgeous? She's so pretty. She's very talented as a makeup artist as well. So I'm going to just go through each item. This was the box. She did design it herself. Like I said, I've already done this, so all of my products are out of the box. But it is like a nice little magnetic box that you can keep. I did have it displayed up on my little shelf just because I think it's so cute, and I'm a big fan of hers. So we'll just go through one thing at a time and I'll show you what she put in there. I'm not sure if this is still available. I just thought this would be fun to share. So the first thing she put in there is the Nude Sticks Lip and Cheek Pencil, and this is in the color Whisper. She writes little sentences about each product, and so she says, a gorgeous versatile nude pencil for lips and cheeks. Wear alone for a flush of rose, or pair with a deeper brown liner for a classic 90s nude lip. A beautiful shade that is absolutely stunning on everyone. So you do get like the little case, and it comes with a big sharpener, and then this is the color right there, which it is a really pretty color. I feel like it's a classic nude. Moving on to a facial spray. I can't pronounce this correctly. Omorovixa, Queen of Hungry Mist. It says this is the ultimate bougie face mist. I remember my first bottle and my second and my third. I can't get enough of it. The most decadent mist that you didn't know you need. Perfect for refreshing makeup as a part of your skincare routine and when traveling. So it does smell. I just sprayed my glasses like an idiot. It does smell. Smells quite good. I can't believe I just did that like an idiot. I completely forgot that I even had glasses on. That's a really fine mist. So try that out all over my glasses, which I'm not going to clean right now. The next thing is from Way. This is the Rose Hair and Body Oil. It says the ideal one and done oil. I use this rose scented oil in my hair, on my body, for my cuticles, and I've even used it to remove my makeup. Keeps everything hydrated, nourished, and smelling delish. So it's actually a really big size, 3 fluid ounces. So it's for your hair, which I wonder if this would be good like on my ends. I'll have to try that, obviously. Next thing that I'm not sure what I'm going to do with are a pair of lashes. This is from Lily Lashes, and they're her favorite. They're in Minkinos. They're faux mink lashes. So she says, if I had to wear one pair of lashes for the rest of my life, it would be these. Super glam, full, and perfect for a bad girl transformation. Save the drama for your lashes, am I right? Like, they're huge. They look gorgeous on her, but I just feel like they would literally go up past my eyebrows. They're huge. So I may be giving those away to a friend. I don't have any friends near me that use lashes. I don't even think any of my YouTube friends use lashes. Next up is a Huda Beauty, and this is the Warm Brown Obsessions palette. It says the most lovely wee eyeshadow palette. So easy to use, and it has the perfect number of shades to create endless looks. A true staple in your staple item in your makeup bag. So I have used this and I did quite enjoy the look that came out. They are literally all matte except for the center one, which is like a really pretty like bronzy gold. So I have used this. I have one other one of these in the pinky mauve berry tones, and so these are really cool to travel with because they're so tiny. The next product I'm really excited about, and I have used twice now, and I was totally in the market for something like this. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. It says if you use anything in your brows, it has to be this. It leaves them looking full, healthy, and once you've brushed them into place, they won't move. I've also used this little guy to smooth out baby hairs and to give my lashes a glossy look. So I was in the market for a new clear brow gel, and I didn't even have to buy one. It came in this, I mean, technically I bought it because I paid for this box, but I'm really excited, and I've used this twice and I really, really do like it. It doesn't put a ton of product in your brows, but the brush itself is really interesting. It's kind of like a mascara wand because on one side the bristles are quite long, and then on the other side they're actually quite short. So depending on what your brow hair is like, you can like coat them really well and then use the short side to like put them in place. I really, really like it. Like I said, the clear gel isn't like goopy or thick, or, you know, it doesn't feel like hair gel or anything like that. And then last makeup item is the Becca Highlighter that you got to choose 3 different colors. Her favorite was Opal, and I didn't own Opal, and so I just thought I would give it a try. She is quite deeper in skin tone than I am, but I just wanted to give it a shot because she loves it so much and just see. And it's like a really, really pretty gold. It's a little bit warmer than what I typically wear, but I'm gonna try it just to see. And then last but not least, the thing, oh, it says the OG of my makeup bag. I've used and loved this highlighter for years and will continue to bathe in it forevermore. There's really no more I can say other than you're welcome. And then very last but not least is the bag that all of the items fit in. And so it says medium travel makeup bag, the perfect wee bag for keeping all your bits in order. I love that it's transparent so you can see where everything is, and this little guy is durable in all caps. Ideal for keeping your fave products together, and it's handbag friendly. So I do like that it's clear. I think that's really, really cool. The little zipper pull does say Cult Beauty on it, and then like I said, all of the stuff that came in the box does fit in this cute little bag, so you can just, that's how I had it all together. So I think the way the currency transferred, or exchanged rather, it was like $95 US. It was like 124 pounds. I can't remember how it transferred. No, because they have a better rate. I don't know. It was $90 US that I paid. I think it was like 95, which sounds really expensive, but all of these items are full size. And it was like a value of something like twice the amount, you know, how they value the boxes and stuff like that. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm so dying that I sprayed my glasses. I think that's probably one of the most hilarious things I've done on a YouTube video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did kind of breeze through it just because I've already filmed it, but I still wanted to share. I thought it was something different, and maybe not everybody knows about Jamie Genevieve. I feel like she's almost to 1 million, and I've been watching her since she's had, I think, just over 200,000. So I've been watching her for a really long time, since her and Jack moved into their house and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm gonna stop fangirling. I hope you do check her out. I will link the box down below if it is still available. Other than that, it was just a sharing is caring kind of video. So I love you guys so much. I thank you for watching, and if you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Brittany Cocco. You are watching the Cocco channel. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!